Nature is the healer. We often worry about how we gonna live our life. We often worry about how we gonna sustain the hardship of life. We often worry about what God has written in our destiny. Just breathe, relax, and trust the process of God. When He created you, He promised you that you won't sleep hungry. Not that all people around the world eat every day. It is just trusting God. Do your work. Go with the flow. Do what is required to sustain, and then just don't worry. You see these birds? They fly every day to get the food. It's their job to do that. But they know they won't come back hungry or without the food because they have trust in their God. Be like this bird. Go out, work hard, search for your food. It's just that. Then leave everything on your God.